Running a repair shop is hard. Keeping your bays full and customers happy is a tough balance. Even shops who provide high-quality repairs and retain most of their customers need a regular influx of new business. And those customers are out there. They're searching online for information on their cars and for quality shops in their area. These potential customers are often lost, unsure of where to go and whom to trust. We've solved that problem. At RepairPal, we connect consumers with high-quality shops. We do this thanks to the millions of website visits we get each month, as well as our strong partnerships with high-quality consumer-focused companies. These partners know their customers will be treated well because shops in our network have a minimum 1-year, 12,000-mile warranty, a high customer satisfaction score, recent tech training, the right tools and equipment, and the processes in place to fix vehicles right the first time. On average, we send 9 to 12 new customer contacts to shops each month with an average repair order of over $600. We don't require a long-term contract, which means the pressure is on us to deliver, and we will. That's why we have the nation's largest network of independent auto repair shops. Look, we know you'd rather be focusing on the other parts of running your business. Let RepairPal handle bringing in new customers.
We trust that you'll find the volume from our site and the volume from our partners will add significantly to your business and continue to bring trust to auto repair nationwide.